All right. If any of you follow music that was probably invented before you were born, like me, anything post 80s, let's call it that. And you should know the friggin' words. I'm saying friggin' because I'm tired of saying fucking. I'm always saying fucking. My mom's saying, stop fucking saying fucking. So, trying to behave. Anyway, I'm missing the point. What I mean to say is that I fell in love once. And this song was pretty resonant. It's written by a guy called Solomon Burke, I think. He had like 15 kids, you know, like me. Anyway, I'm totally bullshitting around the point. It's called Cry to Me. Hey, oh baby,